Hey guys, so tonight we have leftovers. I'm finishing up this little bit of spaghetti that I had in the fridge. And yeah, so we just got some meat sauce and just regular spaghetti noodles and some other sauce, Alfredo, that was homemade. It's got a lot of garlic and Parmesan. It's really good. Oh, I didn't top it with pepper. Yeah, it's okay. And then just some Brussels sprouts, and I like to put olive oil, salt, pepper, but I just did olive oil, pepper, and then the Kinder's seasoning on top. I never put it on vegetables before, so we'll see how it is. Oh, and I put Parmesan cheese on top of it too. And it's good. Ooh. So I just realized that my plate looks like the Italian flag. Nice. Cool. Oh, I already know I'm not going to eat all this. My hair is looking rough. Usually when I cook pasta, I like to either cook it in olive oil, like boil it in the water with olive oil, or I like to, when it comes out, if I forgot to do it, I like to, in the colander, just put some olive oil in there and just toss it around, and your noodles don't stick. But that did not happen with these noodles. I don't know about you, but I'm so excited for Christmas. I love Christmas so much. It just naturally makes me happy. And I love it. I want to visit like a Christmas town. What's it? Friendly Farms? Valley View Farms. That place is cool. It has, gosh, hundreds of decorated Christmas trees there. At least last time I was there, which was like 2 years ago. And, you know, they're really beautiful. They're for sale as well. Excuse me. that bite was totally inappropriate. Anyway, dude, they got Spirit Christmas. You know, like Spirit Halloween. I gotta go. I gotta go. I think there's one in Elkton, Maryland. I know that's not far. Terribly far from me. I don't know if it's worth driving for, but that'd be so cool if they had one in Baltimore. Oh my God. They would make so much money. But yeah, so anyway, Spirit Christmas. It's basically the same thing as Spirit Halloween, but Christmas. And they also have like some Halloween Christmas ornaments and decorations and stuff too. You know, like olive oil on vegetables are so good. But you know, they have like Jack Skellington and a few people from Nightmare Before Christmas dressed up as Santa and that type of vibe. Ooh, man, that is some heavy sauce. It's so rich that I gotta relax a little bit and eat this. But yes, they had like ugly Christmas sweaters. They had decorations. They had the blow up decorations. You know, the ones for your front lawn. They had ornaments like crazy. Decor for your home. What else? The Christmas ornaments were so neat. Just in general. Because they had just the variety of them was, oh my God, it was outrageous. And it's just like a good vibe. Like, it's so neat. Like, I want to go. So bad. I hope they make that like a normal thing now. It's so funny because last year I literally was saying like, dang, I wish they had like the exact same thing that they did. Like, Spirit Halloween, just Christmas style. And hello. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so full. I like to pick out the pieces of garlic because I like if I'm cooking for people, I'm going to chop my garlic up really good. But if I know it's just, you know, like the family eating it, I'm going to leave those big chunks of garlic in the sauce. I found a big one earlier. I can't find it now. But, yeah. I just love garlic. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry, my video ran out. I really just hit the record button again so I could say bye. Because I'm friggin' stuffed. Maybe 2 pastas wasn't a good idea, huh? Piece of garlic. But yeah, man. Christmas is so cool. Especially now being a parent. It's like one of the coolest reasons to be a parent. If you celebrate Christmas. Oh, wait. Yep. I got all the garlic pieces out. Oh, except for this guy. Oh my god. It's the biggest one. It's the biggest one. Took my garlic acid. No. All right. Y'all have a good night. Excuse me. My frog friend. See you tomorrow. Bye.